My name is Shelby, and I'm going to show you some techniques used when lettering with masking fluid. I'm going to letter the word November, and this is sped up a little bit to keep the images moving along. I'm dipping my Mitchell 2.5 nib into the masking fluid and making long broad strokes with thicks and thins, and as I'm writing I'm trying to think about keeping the letters narrow, tall and narrow, putting on the flourish on the N. And as I write the V, I'm thinking about keeping those letters narrow and the masking fluid flowing, because it is sticky and it can dry out. You see how the masking fluid, just like ink, pools a little bit like it did on the letter E, and that's just a reminder that you need to let the masking fluid dry thoroughly before doing anything else with it, like laying over a wash, which I'm going to do, or doing any erasing. I'm going to make the final letter R in the italic style. I'm going to put a little finish on the R and go back and put up that finish on the B as well, and there's the word November. Now I'm going to use Sumi Ink, which I like for its grays, and we're going to put a little bit of water on over the top of the word November. The masking fluid is dry, and then I'm going to go back in and dip my brush into the Sumi Ink, which is different dilutions in the different wells there, and I got a little stubborn spot there that I want to get covered up, because if there's not enough contrast, once I remove the masking fluid, the letter won't show up. Notice there's some beautiful rich values now as the Sumi is going on. You'll see in a few minutes that those do tone down quite a bit as the ink dries. I'm hastening the process of drying just a little bit with a hair dryer. Have to be cautious about that. And now I'm using a kneaded eraser to remove the dried masking fluid. The kneaded eraser is something that you can buy at art stores. The fluid is a little stubborn, so you have to be gentle but firm to remove it. And there you see the word November. You have it from A to Z on lettering with masking fluid.